For Number Corner today, grab your whiteboard. Number Corner friends, welcome back. I am so excited that you are here today. I want to introduce my friend, Starry. You have been a superstar with Number Corner, so I thought our friend Starry could be here to help us out with some of our most important parts of Number Corner together. Let's first start with our date. Ready? Today is January 11th, 2021. What is it? January 11th, 2021. Now, what day of the week is it today? Ooh, that looks like an M. Today is Monday. What was yesterday? What comes before Monday? Sunday. Monday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Good job. Yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Let's find out our day of school. We are so close to the 100th day. It's exciting. So we are at 93 when we did Number Corner here. So we're going to keep counting till we get to today. Ready? Starting at 93, 93, 94, 95, 96. We are at 96 days in school. That number looks like this, 96. Now, we need to fill in some parts, but I want you to also do it on your whiteboard. Remember that big T that we did on here? We're going to do the same thing today, and we're going to continue doing this until we hit our 100th day of school, okay? So on your whiteboard, grab it if you need it. Go ahead and do a nice big T for me. Down the middle. Did you do that? Then all the way across. Your board should look like this. Now, I think you discovered last time, sometimes you have to write a little bit smaller than you're used to with these squares to make sure it fits nicely. So let's practice writing a little smaller so they fit nicely inside these squares. Now, the first thing we're going to write is our date. What is our date? Well, we did say, Starry told us, it's January 11th, 2021. But do we write out the whole thing? No, we get to use numbers. This one tells me it's January. Remember, because it's the first month of our year. So 1 tells me January. It goes month, day. What's the day again? January 11th. How do you write an 11? An 11 looks like this. 1, 1, and then we are in the year 2021. So remember, month, day, year. January 11th, 2021. Let's write it on here. So in this first top square, we are writing our date. It's really important we learn how to write that. I would like you to start with a 1. Go ahead and write a 1 and a dash. So you should have this. Remember, this dash separates our month from our day from our year. It's kind of like having a little space. So there we have our dash. 1 dash. What's my next part? The day, which is the 11th. Go ahead and put an 11 right next to that dash. 1 more dash. Now we have month, day. Holy moly, that's a lot of ones. What's the year? 2021. So we just put 21. So this is what your first square should look like. January 11th, 2021. Great job writing the date. Give yourself a big kiss on the brain. Now, what day of school is it? Where can you find it? I already wrote it down. Can you find how many days you've been in school? Ta-da! Right there, 96. As you write this number in this square, I want you to say it out loud. Ready? Let's do it together. 96. Mine looked kind of funny. It was kind of hard to hold the board. That tells me we have 9 tens, 6 ones. 96. Does your board look like mine so far? Do you remember what goes right here? How many days until the 100th day of school? Let's find out. Our 100th day of school is on Friday. So we need to start here and count how many days until we get to here, our 100th day. Ready? Just count by starting with 1. We're going to hop and count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4 more days until the 100th day of school. We have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday. 4 more days. We're going to put the number 4. We have now written the date, how many days we've been in school, how many days until the 100th day of school. What goes here? Number tree. Remember how we did a super simple number tree? An upside down V. So put an upside down V in the middle. Make sure you leave room for those numbers. Last time I did it with you. This time, I'll start it, but you have to finish it, okay? So here's our number tree. And we know in our number tree, it goes part, part, and then our whole at the tippy top. Because the number tree has a part, whole. And the whole is the total. Now, we normally look at today's buttons, but today's buttons look very similar to Wednesday's buttons. So I want to look at a different one, okay? But notice that today we had some yellow sweaters, we're back into the purple, and we now have 4 buttons instead of 3. But we're going to look at this one. So first I want you to notice the sweater. What color is the sweater? It is yellow. How many buttons do we have all together? 3. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 buttons on this sweater. Now that's our whole. That's our total. So go ahead and write that in our whole amount. Go ahead and write 3 because we have 3 buttons all together. Yours should look like this. Now my 2 parts are the 2 different color buttons. So I want you to look at this and tell me, what are my 2 parts? Your job is to figure that out. We have blue button and we have pink buttons. I want you to write how many blue buttons for one part and how many pink buttons for the other part. I'll start you off. How many blue buttons are there? Say it out loud. 1. So we're going to put 1 as one of our parts. Your job is to figure out the missing part. I'm going to circle it. Your job is to fill it in. I'll show you the card one more time. We have 1 blue button. How many pink buttons? Your job is to fill that in. All right, my friends, your job is to take a picture of your super duper awesome calendar work. We are going to be working in our number book next number corner. So today, just the whiteboard. On Wednesday, we will be working inside of our book. Good luck filling in that last number using this. See you next time, everyone.